Good afternoon and welcome back to Farming with Faith channel, Cheney Farms Estivation. Well, here at Cheney Farms, here at Farming with Faith, when we have a subscriber request, I really do my best to try to do it. Hold on. Thank you to all who have viewed, liked, and subscribed. Thank you for all the views, welcome to all my new viewers and all my new subscribers. Welcome. And, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. So anyway, back to what I was saying. Here at Farming with Faith channel, when we have a subscriber request, I do my best to try to do that request. So we had a request to start the 4200 International Transtar. If you might remember, with that mean, angry duck on the front. So anyway, I don't know if you can read that or not. Can you read that? Detroit Diesel. Yes, that's back when, how you say, yeah. We mean business. So, where it hadn't been started in a while, I thought it's always good to check the oil. And my door don't shut real good, so I undo my positive battery cable. So I put the positive battery cables on. So let's get over here and see what it'll do. So let's see. I always check, make sure it's out there first. Well, we got power. Give it a minute. It's trying. It ain't been started in a few months, so. One more time. Yeah. I thought it was actually gonna hit that time. Up. Oh, that would be a toad start on a Detroit Diesel. Yeah, can't you tell she's a little cold? Anyway, yeah. Most of the time it starts if I can keep them battery cables shut off and where it'll charge up. And yeah, look there. Give it a minute. We'll, how you say, we'll get all the water off the top of the tar barrel. Yeah, I know, I have a low tire right there. My wife got me a bead bazooka for Christmas. So I'll, closer to when I needed it in, I'll come out here and we'll shoot it back on. Like I said, it's hard to beat. Well, that's hard to beat, and that is hard to beat too. An international truck with a Detroit diesel to batch it up. And look here, for all my IH guys, look at the I and the H on the rear end. See that? Sorry, one of them IH guys myself. And then you really love this. Let's see. Can you see it? Can you see the IH right there? So anyway, yeah. Let's see what we can do with it now. It's still filling up on there. See my low air button? Yes, it is pretty cold out here until you can see my breath. Made sure my brakes aren't stuck. They got stuck on me one time. This is a Eaton Fuller transmission. As you can see, 8-speed high and low, 4-speed high and low, however you want to say it. It took me a while. There is a learning curve to it. It took me a while to drive it, but I drive it pretty well now. And look there. Look at that rubber nut out there in front on that hood. So anyway, well, now my low air buttons went off and my air pressures went up, so let's this is dumping the bed. Basically all I'm doing is getting all the water off of it. All the ice and the water and everything. So anyway, tarps are good. Tarps, you have to have a tarp in this day and time, but when they sit outside, they get full. They get low spots and they fill up with water. So anyway, thank you to all who have viewed, liked, and subscribed. Stay tuned for more. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We're on a roll. We're on. And when I post this video, we are at 99 subscribers. So, yeah, y'all, if you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button for me. Thank you. Bye.